Yeah. Come on. Can you imagine a love that will never end? God is. Can you imagine a king who calls you a friend? God is. God is the creator and powerful king. God knows the biggest and smallest of things. He loves you more than the moon and the stars. He's everywhere you are. God is. On the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine. Leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning on the everlasting arms. What have I to dread? What have I to fear? Leaning on the everlasting arms. I have blessed peace with my Lord so near. Leaning on the everlasting arms.